To redeem an iTunes gift card on Android, you will need to download the Apple Music app, or the iTunes Store app is not available on Android, but you can access it through the web browser. Start by opening the Apple Music app or going to the iTunes website on your Android device. If you are using the Apple Music app, tap on the menu icon and select Account, then tap on Redeem Gift Card. If you are using the iTunes website, tap on Account and Sign In, then tap on Redeem Gift Card. Enter the gift card code and tap on Redeem. Now the gift card balance will be added to your Apple ID account. You can use the balance to purchase music, movies, and TV shows from the iTunes Store or subscribe to Apple Music. Make sure to sign in with the same Apple ID on all your devices to access your purchases and gift card balance across all devices. You can also check your gift card balance by going to the account settings on the Apple Music app or the iTunes website. To avoid any issues when redeeming your gift card, make sure to enter the code correctly and do not share your gift card code with anyone to prevent unauthorized use. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your iTunes gift card on Android and start enjoying your favorite music and content.